including eggs and chocolate and pumpkin seeds. Top 9 foods for improving brain focus and memory. With the beginning of the new school year, many mothers are looking for foods that help increase children's concentration in school, so that they can gain the most information, as the foods that children eat play a role in maintaining brain health and can improve certain mental tasks, such as memory and concentration. A variety of information about foods that can improve children's concentration was published by Healthline. 1. Fatty fish. Fish contains a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, as about 60% of the brain consists of fats, and half of these fats consist of omega-3 fatty acids. The brain uses omega-3 to build brain cells and nerves, making these fats necessary for learning and memory. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries and other deep-colored berries offer anthocyanins, a group of plant compounds with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that work against both oxidative stress and inflammation, conditions that can contribute to memory impairment, lack of concentration, brain aging, and neurodegenerative diseases. 3. Turmeric curcumin. The active ingredient in turmeric has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can enter directly into the brain and benefit brain cells because it is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that has been linked to the following brain benefits. Curcumin may help improve memory in children with low concentration. Curcumin boosts serotonin and dopamine, both of which improve mood. Curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a type of growth hormone that helps brain cells grow. 4. Broccoli is full of powerful plant compounds, including antioxidants, and it is also very high in vitamin K, and this fat-soluble vitamin is essential for the formation of Svengali lipids, a type of fat densely packed in brain cells. 5. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain powerful antioxidants that protect the body and brain from free radical damage and are an excellent source of magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper, as each of these nutrients is important for brain health. 6. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder contain a few brain-boosting compounds, including flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. As dark chocolate contains 70% or more cocoa content, these benefits are not seen with regular milk chocolate, which contains between 10 and 50% cocoa. 7. Nuts. Research has shown that eating nuts can improve heart health indicators and that having a healthy heart is associated with brain health. One study found that regular consumption of nuts can be associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline in older adults. 8. Orange. Getting almost all of the vitamin C you need in a day can be obtained by eating a medium-sized orange, and doing so is important for brain health since vitamin C is a key factor in preventing mental decline. 9. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of many nutrients associated with brain health, including vitamins B6, B12, folate, and choline, which is an important micronutrient that the body uses to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and memory. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new updates.